Hey everyone, welcome back to episode 3 of my EXAPUNKS playthrough. Last episode we finally finished the tutorial and started doing some of the actual puzzles. Still pretty easy, but I'm sure these are going to get pretty hard. Yeah, cool. Awesome, let's continue. I like this story, so I'm going to keep reading this shit. It does suck. I definitely do not like having a body, so. I don't know, this is funny. Anyway, okay. Cause the last stop factory to produce peanut-free Peanut Blast bars. This is bizarre. Remove the keyword peanuts from the Peanut Blast recipe. Note that the target keyword will appear in a different position. Okay. Okay, so... Okay, so grab 300, move FX. I forget the word for let go of a file. Just drop, okay. So I'm gonna write the word peanuts into X. And that's file 237. So now that I've done that, drop the file. Link 800 and link 800, and that'll put me where I need to be. Now I will grab file 237, and now I just need to delete the word peanuts. So, I believe I can assume that somewhere in this file is the word peanuts. Okay. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make a loop. I'm gonna copy. Let's think. So I think I want to test if X is F, right? So if X and F are equal, if they both say peanuts. If they do, so this is if they do, it will be 1. So T jump found. If we find it, this is what we need to do. I need to delete that thing. So I think the word is void. I'm looking this up. I'm not going to pull up the PDF if I'm just looking up one word. Yeah, so now I can void F. That will delete the word peanuts from the file. And that's all I need to do. So now I halt. If it isn't equal, then I need to add 1 to F. No, that'll add something to the file. Seek 1. That'll move it forward 1, and then jump loop. Okay, let's see how this works. It's probably just jump loop like that. Okay. So there could be like off by 1 errors in this. I don't know. I'm just working through experimentation to figure out how this all works. So we're gonna grab the file. We're gonna copy the word peanuts into X. It's right there now. Say hi to peanuts. Okay. Cool. Now we're going to drop the file. Link. Now we're in there. Awesome. I'm in there. Now I grab this file. test if x equals, so we're going to see if this tabs forward. Test if x equals x. So this should set t to 0. And it did tab forward. So this will work. So the seek 1 is needless. Okay, so once you do the test, it will step forward. So actually, I have to step back once and then delete the thing. So if we don't find it, now it's equal. Now we're going to jump to found. We're going to go back one, delete it, halt. And we're right. Okay, awesome. That was fun. These are very clean. These are always fun. It means there's two different solutions possible. And one of them's like better or faster, you know what I mean? Okay, return to desktop. No peanuts in Peanut Blast. Was that funny? Yeah, that was funny. All right. Okay. Erase Gast's debt to the copy shop by zeroing out his balance in the customer database file 200 and appending a payment to the payment log file 201 with today's date and the exact amount of his prior balance. Gast's customer ID is available in file 300. For more information, see network explanation, Digicash point of sale system. So we're going to go look at that now. So here we go. Back to the PDF. Let's go take a look at that. Okay. The customer database, usually file 200, stores a list of customers with 3 values for each customer. Customer ID, dollars owed, and cents owed. Okay, so that's what those are. Date, customer ID, dollars paid, cents paid. It would theoretically be pretty straightforward for a bad actor to add or remove transactions or balances, provided they got access to one of these systems. That's really funny. Why? It's better. That's why. Don't question it. Just go along with the hype, man. That's really funny. Wait, this is great. I'm reading this shit. This is so funny. These days, corporations large and small are rushing to turn all of their transactions into digital transactions. Why? It's better. That's why. Don't question it, just go along with the hype, man. And then exactly 2 exclamation marks, which is just such a beautiful touch. Wonderful. Of course, in their rush to make everything digital, they've built everything fast and sloppy, leaving their systems almost laughably insecure. In this article, I'll take a look at just one example, the Digicash POS, which stands for Point of Sale. What is this? Any similarities to another acronym that could indicate this product's quality is purely coincidental. That's so fucking great. Oh, the writing. I love the big quote, laughably insecure, laughably insecure. Okay. All right. Cool. I get it. Okay. Well, let's start the way we obviously need to start. Okay, so we need to find him in the list. So that's actually the thing we just did. So I can use the exact same solution. Link 800. All right, so we're going to link 800. Now we're going to grab file 200, and we're going to do this. Like there's like other dudes. Like this must be from like the company. He looks he looks like a zebra. So actually I'll need to send over the two things that need to be added. So I'm gonna have a separate exa. This guy is going to move and XA is gonna be he's gonna be a little bit slower, so I can be a little bit more efficient if I make XB the one that checks this file at the beginning. Because XB is going to have to wait for XA to read the whole file anyway, so he may as well spend his time grabbing the file and reading it. So XA is actually just going to start by moving 800. And then he's going to grab 200. And only now is he going to move... oops. God damn it. It's so hard. Link 800. And only now is he going to copy M to X. XB is going to grab 300. Copy F to M, and now he's gonna drop, he's gonna move, he's gonna link 800. When he gets over here, he's gonna grab 201, he's going to move to the end of the file, and then he's going to move, he's gonna copy, is there a way to get to today's date? That's such a weird thing that I have to add. So I'm going back to the thing right now. I'm just going to skim the PDF for like... How do I know what today's date is? That's weird to me. I could just copy this one over. Yeah, I'm confused. I don't know how to write today's date down. I also don't know how string literals work. Like, is something I can do... Looks like that is something I can... Oh. Invalid register. So I guess there are no keyword literals. Oh, this is really interesting. So I was skimming the PDF. Let's go back here. Check this out. Sometimes you don't know all the details of the host you're working with. Links can change, files can disappear. There's sometimes you can only learn about your operating environment by attempting to execute code and potentially failing. That's really cool. Maybe think about changing your life around. The only thing that counts here is getting the job done. Okay, say you were looking for a specific file. The exit that tries it will terminate, but now you know the file isn't there. Say you were looking for a specific link. The exit that tries it will terminate, but now you know the link isn't there. Interesting. I wonder how I'll have to use that. But I've skipped all this, and I have no idea how to write today's date. Yeah. Oh, that's really cool. This one here, test MRD. If this EXA could read from another EXA without pausing, set the T register to 1, otherwise set the T register. So you can kind of like do shit while you're waiting, I think. That's really interesting. Interesting. I'm still reading all this. I don't know how to get today's date, so I'm just going to copy the thing over, right? So like, let me show you what I'm going to do. Seek 999. So this will move to the very end of this file. So now I want to seek -3. So that'll be -1, right? I'm on this file, sorry. -1, -2, -3, -4. Copy F to T, seek 999. So now I've saved today's date. So now we need to do the writing. So now I need to copy the date. So put the date in the file. I can get rid of this now. Put the date in the file. Put the date in the file. Next, put the ID in the file. Now I'm gonna get 2 numbers from the other EXABOT, and I need to write those in the file. And now I'm done. Now this guy just needs to find the right thing. So he's gonna save the ID, and he's gonna keep looking for the ID. So he's grabbed the file. Now we're gonna do this. Mark loop. This is now a loop, and then it's gonna loop until I find the file. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm of course gonna check if this is the thing. If it is, then the register T will be set to 1. So now if T is 1, I'm going to T jump. And what am I going to do? I'm going to T jump to a mark down here, which is mark found. If I have found it, then okay, so if I found it, let's think through this. If I found the file, then what am I saying? If I found it, what do I need to do? I needed to delete it, and I need to move it to the thing, yeah. So, mark found. Okay, so let's take a look, actually. I can minimize this. And I really just want to look at this one. So I'll find his user ID somewhere in here. I'll be here, but I'll have done a test, so I'll actually be here. So that's the first thing I need to do. So that what I need to do actually is send F to M, send F to M. And then I need to so I've sent F to M, send F to M. Then I need to do this thing. Seek -1, void F, seek -1, void F, seek -1, void F, and that'll delete the 3 things that I need to delete. We'll be happy. He's done, we can halt. And I think this is, and now if it's not found, then what do I need to do? I need to actually seek, I've moved forward 1, but I need to move forward 1, 2 more. So I need to actually move forward twice, and then jump loop. And now I'm feeling good about all this. Let's see how this goes. Okay, XA goes over there. XB picks up the file, and he sends the data. But I actually don't want to do this. He needs to know it too. So he's going to copy F to X, and then he's going to copy X to M. And that way he has it stored he has the thing saved too, because he needs to know it when he writes into the file. Okay, so now A goes over, picks up the file, and now he's waiting for this guy to finish. He waited 1 cycle. So I can actually save 1 cycle by doing this. Copy, this will save 1 cycle. Copy F, M, seek -1, copy FX. That'll save a cycle, because it'll send out the data 1 cycle faster. Step, boom, immediately gets it. No waiting, right? Yeah. And now, so now this won't work. So if it doesn't equal, move to the next one, try again. In the meantime, he has saved the right number. He's moved over, and he's going to pick up the file. Where is this? It'll be this one, so we got to pay attention to both of them. XA is going to realize that it was found, and he's going to start sending this shit out. Meanwhile, XB down here is going to, in his file, seek back 4. That's the date. He's going to save the date. He moved to the end of the file again. And then he's going to write it down. XA is waiting to send the thing over. So now, write the date. Write the ID. Write the first number. Write the second number. Halt. XA. Delete, delete, delete. Halt. What did I miss? 0 out. Oh, I don't need to delete it. I need to actually set it to 0. Okay, so seek -1, copy 0F. Actually, it'll be seek -2. Copy 0 into F. Copy 0 into F. Let's try this now. Found the thing. 0, 0. That's done. So are you right? Ooh, we had an error. Interesting. We found an infinite loop somewhere. What went wrong? This seems right. So I think it was test 30 that failed. Right? Okay, so we got to do some debugging on this one. I think test 30 failed. Let's actually... Okay, so test 30 does fail. So let's see what happens. Alright, so we walked through it. We're going to walk through it again. Let's go. XA is getting ready. XB is sending the number. And here it is down there. And then XB, he saves the number correctly, drops the file, moves. So we're gonna come back to XA. He's got to get all the way down to here in the file before we can check. So XB, pick up your file, move to the end of the file, move back, grab today's date, move to the end of the file, write the date, write his ID, and now you just wait. All of this is right so far. Now, XA, keep looking. You're gonna find it. You found it. Boom. Copy. Copy. 0, 0. He did everything right. repeated everything right. So my only thought is that 0 outgas balance, create a corresponding payment didn't work. So my only thought is that today's date is wrong, but I don't know where to get. Oh, there's a clock there. Okay, okay. Well, that's fine. We understand everything now. The XC is gonna go to the clock. Move 800. Link 800. Actually, it's fine. I don't even need XC to do it. XB has plenty of time. Okay, I understand now. I was so confused where to get the date, but there's a clock right there that gives you the date. So, hello XB. This is what you need to do. Grab 201. So we're actually going to do, before anything else, we're going to do this. Once we've linked 800, we're actually going to link 801, and then we're going to copy the date to T, and then we're going to link, and we're going to go back. We back out, and now all of this is okay. We can write the date, write the time. This works. Okay. Awesome. I can't believe the first 29 test cases all had the same date. Awesome. That was good. And that was also another about 30 minutes. So that's the end of episode 3. Actually, let's walk through the ending here. Unusually weird to you? Yeah. Love it. Oh, there's a cutscene. Well, we'll do the cutscene at the beginning of the next episode. So anyway, awesome. Thank you guys for watching. That's the end of episode 3. We're going to keep trucking through this game. Having a blast so far. Very, very interesting, very novel, very Zachtronics. So this is fun. All right, cool. Thank you all for watching.